If you would have invested just $10,000 into the ADA token at its all-time low and sold it at today's current prices, you would have made more than $200,000. And if you would have sold the ADA token at its all-time high from its all-time low, you would have become a cryptocurrency millionaire. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you why I just bought even more Cardano and why I think this is going to be potentially one of the easiest 10x's in crypto. So if you like altcoins and multiplying your money exponentially, I would greatly appreciate it if you could help me multiply the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks again for all of your support, and let's get started. Today, I just invested more than $10,000 into one cryptocurrency, which is Cardano. And I think this could be one of the easiest 10x's in crypto in the next year or two when the bull market returns. If you enjoy review videos like this, and if you like Cardano, smash up that like button and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because I'm going to share with you why exactly I bought this crypto. I'm even going to share with you my price prediction. Spoiler alert, I think it's going to go higher than $3, which is an easy 10x at the time of this recording. Now, I also wanted to say thank you so much for all of your support here on this YouTube channel. We are absolutely exploding to 350,000 subscribers very soon. If we hit 350,000 subscribers, we'll do a massive giveaway. And if you're not already following me over on Twitter, make sure to do so, as well as Instagram for behind the scenes of a crypto millionaire, as well as my TikTok, which now has over 1 million followers. Thanks again for all of your support. Now, what is Cardano and why do I have conviction and why did I put my money behind this project today? Now, first off, please understand that I am not trading Cardano. I plan on holding this for the long run until it reaches 10x and beyond. That's just my strategy, and I am willing to stomach the volatility in the short term because I'm a believer long term in this project. So Cardano is a blockchain platform for changemakers, innovators, and visionaries with tools and technologies required to create possibility for the many as well as the few, and to bring out positive global change. Now, at the time of this recording, one ADA token is sitting at 39 cents. And if we just take a look of where Cardano went all the way in this last bull run, which was approximately $3, I think today sitting right around 39 cents, Cardano will easily go back to its all-time high and beyond. And in the most bullish case scenario, I could see Cardano reaching $7, $8, $9, maybe even $10 in the next bull market. Now, first off, let me share with you why. Right now, at the time of this recording, the market cap for the ADA token is only $13 billion, while the market cap for Ethereum is $198 billion. Now, while I have massive conviction with Ethereum, I do not believe that Ethereum is 10 times better than Cardano at this time. And that's why I'm making this video and putting my money where my mouth is because I think Cardano will actually outperform Ethereum in the next bull market. And that's why I also believe it's undervalued right now. Another reason why I believe Cardano is undervalued is because of how massive their community has actually grown. Here we are on CardanoCube, and you can see all of the different projects that are currently building on Cardano today. You can see the number of DEX liquidities, the number one most likely being SundaeSwap. We've talked about this cryptocurrency multiple times. Next, we have the wallets, Giro Wallet, Nami Wallet being the leader, as many other wallets like Exodus have also been around for a while. From here, you can see tons of infrastructure as well as DeFi. They even have lending and borrowing, and one of my favorites is the launch pads. Now from there, you can see they have different marketplaces, and one of the hottest altcoins at the time of this recording is SingularityNet, and this is an AI crypto that has absolutely exploded. In fact, in the last month alone, SingularityNet is up over 700%. Cardano also has payments and different stablecoins, but there is some issues with stablecoins, which I'll share with you in a second. Many different tools and explorers, other development tools, social media, a huge metaverse, a ton of gaming, and a massive amount of projects are community-led and or a DAO. And last but certainly not least, we cannot forget about the Cardano meme coins. But as you can see, this community and this ecosystem is certainly on the rise, and these are only the utility projects. If you click on NFT projects, you can see that there are a lot of new NFT projects building on Cardano, giving even more use case to the blockchain as well as their native token ADA. In fact, last year, I was at the CNFT conference in Las Vegas, and I even got to meet a lot of the different teams, one of which was called Virtua. The Virtua team has sponsored content here on this channel, so full disclosure there, but they were an incredible team. They even had a Shelby Ferrari outside their booth, and this conference was absolutely massive. And not only that, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, also was at the conference, giving me even more confidence in this project. And I believe this is only the beginning for NFTs over on Cardano. Now, one of the main things I look for in cryptocurrency, especially before investing, is the founder. Is the founder someone who is credible? Is it somebody who's going to be in the project for a while? Or is this going to be just another pump and dump coin? And I like to think long term before I invest anything. Now, I have done my research with Charles Hoskinson, and the fact that he was one of the first to work with Ethereum all the way back many years ago and has now took his time to build out Cardano to what it is today, a top 20 crypto at the time of this recording, shows me that he is in this for the long run. And the fact that he shows up to community events and has close to 1 million followers over on Twitter, I think this is definitely not someone to overlook, and he is certainly a leader in the space. And not only that, the Cardano Foundation has over 850,000 followers, and they have been supporting and growing the entire Cardano ecosystem. And if you did not know, the Cardano Foundation is a non-profit, which to me is amazing for this entire project. Now, another thing about crypto that you absolutely must study and understand is that it is all about community. And that is what I think Cardano's strength really is all about. You can see they have 1.3 million followers, and this is one of the strongest communities I have ever seen in crypto. Whenever I make videos or talk about Cardano, there are tons of people who love hearing even more about their project, and many of you I know watching this video are either looking to invest in Cardano and to learn more, or are already investors in Cardano and feel very similarly to what I'm sharing with you. So if you are an ADA holder, smash out that like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, because we're going to be talking more about this project in the future, as I am seeing a lot of potential moving forward. Now, one of the other things that I have not seen any other cryptocurrency project really go deep into is helping other countries, especially those in the Middle East and Africa. And this is where Cardano is bringing awareness as well as adoption. You see, back in 2021, Emergo launched Emergo Africa as part of its original $100 million Cardano ecosystem investment vehicle, and later announced an additional $100 million of funding support in an interview with CoinDesk. Now, Cardano's objective is to help those in Africa really who are unbanked become banked and have more control over their money, and even use Cardano using the Cardano blockchain and its native token ADA. Today, the median age in Africa is estimated to be about 19 years old, and this is the youngest in the world according to the UN. Africa is also home to 1.3 billion people. Over the past several years, Africa has seen a rapid rise in its embrace of the internet-based technologies, as well as digital education of its youth. This has been fueling the development of tech startups and now blockchain. Now, the overall Africa strategy is to drive Cardano adoption in Africa to everyday users and businesses in the years to come, and have a real impact solution that delivers actual value. Now, another statistic that makes me so bullish on Cardano is the amount of staked ADA compared to the circulating supply. You can see today the total ADA staked is 25 billion, while the circulating supply is only 34 billion. That means much more than half is actually staked, and this is what creates these massive spikes back towards the upside when Cardano gets in a bull market. Now, another thing to pay attention to is the maximum supply, which is 45 billion. So the fact that we're already 77% with Cardano being fully diluted shows me that there's still a lot more to go, and there is just definitely not that many tokens left. In fact, the tokens that are being distributed go back to the stakers, and this is why there is so much ADA that is staked today. In fact, I plan on staking my ADA because, like I said earlier in the video, I'm in it for the long run, and why not earn an extra 5, 6, 7% just by holding this cryptocurrency? Now, another thing to really pay attention to with crypto is the total transactions. You can see over 60 million total transactions, and according to proof of GitHub, last week Cardano was the #2 most active blockchain, only after Polkadot and Kusama. So to me, this shows real development as well as real transactions as well as real users. Shows me that this is an absolute no-brainer in my opinion, that Cardano, the blockchain, and the ADA token today are way undervalued. And the truth is, I'm not the only one that believes this as well. Head of Coin Bureau says that they are looking to get back into Cardano ADA, but they also see some problems with the ecosystem. They said, quote, "I like Cardano, but I sort of have a weird thing with it. It's like one day I'm really bullish, and the next day I kind of start questioning it. But the Cardano community is one of the biggest, one of the most active, and one of the most supportive, and the founder, Charles Hoskinson, is this really kind of inspirational figure. I sold out of ADA recently, but I definitely would be considering buying back into it as well. There's some interesting stuff happening." Now, Guy's concerns though with ADA and the blockchain is that it might not be the most well suited for developers to build on. He also doesn't think that there's a huge amount of cooperation between projects on Cardano, and he also keeps hearing about how difficult it is of an ecosystem to build on. So while it's only fair to share the positives and also the negatives, one of the negatives about Cardano is that Coinbase did not mention Cardano in its 2023 Crypto Outlook report. Coinbase is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges today, and you can trade the ADA token there, but the founder Charles Hoskinson definitely slammed Coinbase for not mentioning them, and I definitely think that there was some animosity here in this article. Also, there have been some problems with stablecoins. The leading Cardano stablecoin project had to shut down after a lot of launch delays. Now, this happened all the way back in November of 2022, but the fact that there really is not this solid stablecoin today on Cardano, and there have been some issues with DeFi as well as transaction speeds, as well as the fact that it can be difficult to build with, makes me believe that yes, this cryptocurrency, while I do think it could go up 10 times in the next bull market, there definitely is some issues and some flaws, so please make sure to do your research and also understand the risk reward. But that being said, right now, the risk, in my opinion, compared to the reward certainly has made me even more bullish on this project, and the fact that it is down very, very low at the time of this recording, again, does not mean that it cannot go lower. I am willing to wait until the profits come in, whether that's a year, 2 or 3, or even longer. So there you have it. That is why I have bought Cardano today and why I will continue to accumulate this cryptocurrency long term. Will you be buying Cardano? And do you want even more altcoin reviews like this one? If so, click the links down below and join us in VIP as I share multiple different altcoins and even more altcoin research. These videos will help you improve your crypto investing skills. So if you're interested, just click the links down below and join us in VIP, as more than 3,500 members have already started earning thousands of dollars, making really smart investments and finding new altcoins before anyone else. So if you are interested, click the enroll now button and we will see you in VIP. And if you want to continue learning for free here on YouTube, check out my cryptocurrency playlist. I've handpicked the next video just for you.